Welcome to Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add border on the table on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft PowerPoint. After open the PowerPoint, just open up any document, and you can see in my document a table is already created. If you want to add border on this table, just select your all the table. You have to just press Ctrl+A from your keyboard, and after that click on table design tab, and here you can see borders option. Then just click on borders, and that's it. Here you can see so many options: all borders, outside border, inside border, top border, bottom border, left border, right border. You can also find here horizontal border, vertical border, down border, and up border, and you can choose any option as you like. At first, if I select inside borders, and you can see border has been added successfully. Now if I click borders option again, if you want to add all border, just click on all borders option, and you can see in my full table border has been added successfully. And that is how you can add border on the table on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.